eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through.
It's time for the RWT, if they do it, because how many shows are possible? So, it's a mystery. They'll turn it. It's a mystery. So now, yeah. So it's been kind of wonky. So SWC WX or SW Coreal WX tried. He live streamed and did not go so well. So they did. Fort Worth didn't turn it. So.
To move through the big country today and may provide chances for showers and storms this afternoon and evening for areas north of the I-10 corridor. High temperatures will still be on the warm side in the upper 90s to around 100 too. A wetter and cooler pattern really begins to take shape Thursday and should last at least into early next week. Highs for this time frame should be near or just below normal in the upper 80s to mid-90s with the best rain chances at 11 a.m. at Abilene. It was the temperature was 90.
Yep. Mystery.
And the relative humidity was 45%.
I'll go live soon. I'll go live at 11:10. So be tuned. I'll go live. I'll probably. I don't know. It depends how it looks outside first, because I'm not gonna go live. Just for San Angelo not to issue the RWT. So it is a mystery if they are going to issue it, but they have issued it on day. I just knocked off a can of Dr. Pepper. Well, time to go get some. Well, kind of got a little place. Well, but yeah, I'll live stream in like 6 minutes. Sorry.